I find this one quite tricky, partly because it's very small and I can't read it, so we're going to blow it up a bit. The graph shows that 44% of boys chose sport. Let's have a look at that. So if we mark that scale from 50, 60, 70, and then down 40, 30, 20, then we can see that big black bar is sport, and it runs down from 70 to 30, that's 40, so it's 44% of boys who chose sport. Now, let's see what we're asked to do. We're now going to see how many girls chose sport. Well, we've got 20 definitely, and then a little bit, maybe 2, maybe 3 there. So I think 25 would be a reasonable percentage of girls who chose sport. We need to be careful here. So it says estimate the percentage of girls who chose sport. That's the easy bit, 25% like we've just done. Then it says 120 boys chose reading. Estimate the number of boys who chose cinema. So we know that 120 boys is equal to 30%, because if we look at the reading bar, the white bar right at the top, it runs from 70 to 100. So 120 is the same as 30%. That's the same as saying 3% is 12 boys, or 1% is 4 boys. It's often really important to go to 1%. Now let's look at how many chose cinema. Well, of the boys who chose cinema, we think there were about 12% of them, that little grey bar at the bottom. So if 3% is 12 people, then 12% would be the value for 3% times 4. So 3% represented 12 people, therefore 12% represents 48 people. So the answer would be 48 boys.